Welcome back. Yesterday I showed you how you can get any GitHub in one click using this new software called Pinocchio. Today I'm going to try downloading an image generator for my MacBook Pro. It's called Flux, and I'm sure you've probably heard of it. It's a local imaging model, which basically is amazing. Even text is actually good with Flux, and I'm actually going to download it in one click using Pinocchio again. And all you do is you literally click install, and it has a web UI, which basically allows you to see what you're doing, and you don't need the terminal at all. So I'm going to click install right now and install the latest version. And then you kind of give it a name, and that's it. That's all you have to do when you're using Pinocchio. That's all you have to do to start using it. You can block new updates. I recommend just clicking yes for that, so that if someone tries to put bad code into the GitHub repo, they've got 3 days to catch it before it comes to you, which basically keeps your computer safe. All right, I'm not gonna make you wait, but it's actually gonna download every dependency necessary so that it will just work for you. So as you can see, it's doing all the hard work for you, so you don't really have to understand all of this. It's just doing all the hard work, and soon we're going to be generating imaging models. Now, on my Mac, I have 64 gigs of unified memory, which is incredible, and I want to see how long it takes to create an image. And the reason why I'm doing this is because at some point, I want to create an automation that generates images and automatically posts them to whether it's YouTube or any other platform. So I want to create some sort of automation in the future. So I want to have an imaging model locally, because I already have a local LLM. I use Gemma 4 and I use Qwen 3.6 and all of these amazing models. And soon we're going to be creating some sort of automated content creating offline local AI platform, which is basically just going to be a money generator. So follow me for this journey, and I'm going to pause the video now till this is ready, and then I'm going to show you the results. All right, guys, this is the moment of truth. I am literally generating an AI image locally from this Flux model. And let's see how long it takes. Now, you can see the timer right above my head. It says 16 seconds, 17, and it's counting up. I've chosen a 4-step process to create this image, and the prompt was the text locally with a robot holding that text and winking. Let's see if it works. Remember, this is all running locally. Fantastic. Okay, he's not winking, but he is holding the word locally. And here is the image was generated in about 30 seconds. So I guess this could be used in a workflow. Now, when you scroll down to the bottom, it actually says use via API over here. I'm not sure if you can see. So that means you could use this in your workflows when you're working locally. So this is absolutely fantastic. So to get this, just download Pinocchio. I've mentioned it in other videos, and you can start using it straight away. Fantastic. Text isn't perfect, by the way. I actually tried making a longer sentence before I recorded this, but I wanted to impress you, so I made I made it just write one word so that it would actually work. Also, to impress you, secretly behind the scenes, I reduced the width to 384 pixels and the height to 384, because when you make it 1024 by 576, which is basically the default, what happens is it literally takes it about a minute to create an image, which isn't bad if you're just letting things run on autopilot locally. But at the end of the day, when I'm trying to show you videos, I am trying to impress you. But at least I'm honest with you. You know, there's people out there that say, just show you all the best of AI without even showing you the reality, like in real world use cases, how things are. And that's what's the difference between my channel with AI news, AI tools, and things that can save you time, and other people's channels. So it's saying here it's going to take 86 seconds in total. It's actually telling you in advance. It's amazing how it knows how long it's roughly going to take. It's going to take 1 minute and 20 seconds to create this image, because this image is a little bit bigger dimensions-wise. So as you can see, you get a web user interface, and all of this was installed using one single click of an install button, thanks to Pinocchio. I absolutely love this Pinocchio app. Highly, highly recommended. I'm not affiliated with them in any way. I just want you guys to have tools that you can use for free, so you don't have to pay all these companies. All right, we're going to see it come up, and then that will be the end of this video. Let's have a look. Locally. Fantastic. So he's smiling. He's not winking, but I guess it's all right. Perhaps if I change the seed, the seed keeps the image similar. Oh, it's randomized. Okay, cool. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.